Well, we've all heard that clever saying about how a red sky in the morning is supposed to help us predict what the weather will be like today. What's the meaning behind this piece of weather folklore, and does it really work? TV6 meteorologist Sean Householder looked into it.
You've probably heard it at least a dozen different ways, and it all means the same thing.
Orange sky in the morning, something forlorning.
Red skies at night, sailor's delight.
So what's so great about a red sky at night anyway? Understanding that our weather usually comes from west to east, it's hard to misunderstand a gray sky in the west. It simply means the western sky is heavy with rain droplets and rain or storms are on the approach. If the evening sky is red or even pink, that means that the light from the setting sun is shining through dry dust particles. Sunlight is being scattered so that the only light we see is reddish. This is usually a sign that nice weather is west of us, and we could assume that weather will be overhead by tomorrow. Most sailors would be delighted by that news, especially when you consider the alternative. Hence, red sky at night, sailor's delight. Although the morning light is not nearly as accurate an indicator, it still has meaning to the weather-wise. The thinking here is that if morning skies are gray in the east, then bad weather has just passed and conditions will begin to improve. But if the eastern skies are red, and assuming typical weather patterns repeat themselves every 2 to 3 days, then humidity will be on the rise and storms will move in the next 24 hours. This is only useful for mid-latitude locations in the northern hemisphere like in the United States, and it isn't always precise because weather doesn't always come directly from the west. Also, atypical weather patterns can throw this off completely. Bottom line, if you saw the sunrise this morning and the western sky looks dark, look out for bad weather. But if you can see the setting sun, then tomorrow's weather will probably be nice. If you've got weather folklore to share, drop us an email at weather@wluctv6.com. Reporting in Marquette, Sean Householder, TV6 News.